Congratulations on advancing to sort 6, unusual past tense of words. So today we're going to be focusing on changing words to the past tense. Now usually when we change words to the past tense, we usually only add an ed at the end. For example, if I wanted to change the word lift to past tense, I would just add an ed and it would be lifted. Just added an ed. Also, if I wanted to change help, I would just add an ed and it would become helped. Now those are the regular words. We have irregular words where the base actually changes a bit. So for sort number 6, you're going to have two headers. The first header is the present, and the second header is past. So you will be arranging your words into two columns. And as you're sorting the words, although the sorting will be fairly simple, noticing the actual patterns and the spelling is where I want you to focus your attention. So let's start off with words that end in EEP, like sleep. Those words, if you change it to past tense, actually change to EPT. So sleep becomes slept. Another word that also has the same pattern is sweep. Sweep is EEP, and the ending changes to EPT, swept. The next word is keep, and again that's going to change, that ending is going to change to EPT. It becomes kept. Now the next pattern I want to show you has to do with words that end in W. Now again, this doesn't apply to all words that end in W, but with these specific words. So for example, throw. This will actually change to an EW at the end, so it becomes through. Now, another word, I'm going to go ahead and just move these to the side. Another word that follows that same pattern as throw and through is know. Again, that ends in OW, and it will change to EW, so that becomes new. Then we also have draw. Draw ends in AW, and the past tense of draw is drew. So it has an EW. Now the next pattern I want to show you has to do with changing the actual vowels. So we have drive. We have our vowel, which is an I. This will actually change to an O for the past tense word. So drive becomes drove. We also have shine. The I changes to an O and it becomes shone as the past tense word form. And lastly, we have freeze, and freeze changes to froze. Now, the next pattern I want to show you has to do with the long vowels changing to short vowels. So we have bleed. The past tense form of bleed is bled, so it becomes a short vowel. This also applies to slide. The past tense form of slide is slid. And then last but not least, we have the words that end in AY, such as say. It actually changes to AID. Other examples of this same pattern include pay, which changes to paid, and lay, which changes to laid. But these are the only words for this word sort. So make sure that when you are sorting your words, you're sorting them with their present and their past tense forms. And then also I challenge you to sort them by the actual patterns. So I want you to make sure that you're changing them from sorting them by long vowel to short vowel. I want you to group the ones that have a vowel change. I want you to group the ones that change to EW at the end. I want you to group the ones that change from eep to ept. And then I want you to make sure that you change the only one that changes from A to aid at the end. Make sure that you get your new word sort packet and get started on your work. I'll see you later.